Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing, testing and reviewing this robot vacuum. I am very excited. This is the first robot vacuum that I got ever. So I am very excited because with a toddler and a baby, it's hard to always keep the floors clean, and I always have to keep my floors clean. So I am gonna be opening and reviewing this one, and this one is so cool because it has a mop feature. So I am very excited for that. We are gonna start unboxing it, and it comes very well packaged. It's a box inside a box inside a box. It's well protected. So after a little while, I was finally able to take it out of the box. So now let's see what it comes with. So it gives a good first impression. It looks very pretty. Comes with a manual, very easy to read, easy instructions. So let's see what we have here. It comes with a charging port. I love this. I love it because you just with a click of a button, it goes back to charging itself. It comes with the remote control. It comes with the tank to put the water in, and an extra mop, the cord to charge it, and of course the vacuum itself. It also comes with extra brushes for the sweeping feature and batteries for the remote. And it also comes with an extra filter. And it is now ready to start using. We just need to install the little brushes that it comes with for the sweeping feature. Okay, let's start this. To start it, I think it has a little button on the side. Let me see if we can find it. It's right here. And it's on! Okay, now we can either use this button or the remote control. Let's see. Oh, and it's starting. Wow. Okay. It's like, where do I go? There's stuff everywhere. Awesome. Now let's try the remote. Where is it? Now my baby is going under it. Okay. So we're gonna have this charging dock. It's supposed to come back to that one once it needs charge. It's working. It's going. It's working great. Now let's see about the remote. Let's see, if I click this button right here, it's supposed to return to the charging dock. And that is great. How cool is that? Awesome. Okay. This is great. This is what it did earlier. It even picks up larger trash, bigger pieces of trash it picks up. This is awesome. The heavier stuff, I am so surprised. I found a dime in here. So I am gonna clean that up later. I am just now too excited to try them up. This is a mop attachment. I am gonna add some water in here to start. I already added the water, and I added a little bit of Mr. Clean. Let's start this. I am excited. I don't know if I'm supposed to leave the little brushes in there. But anyway, look at this. It's mopping. It is mopping. How great. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please go give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys didn't like it, leave me a comment as of why. Also, if you guys are interested in the vacuum, I will leave the link down below on the description.